Good afternoon and howdy. Welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel. This is another edition of our auction Rover review series. And try to do this every day or so and review Land Rovers and Range Rovers that are not usually open to the public. This is a wholesale dealer auction. So I'm pretty excited for this one because I saw the price, and right now the starting bid is at $1,000. There has been no bids. I've watched this one for a while now, and it has dropped. So this is going for cheap, and it's for good reason. It's worth $0. And I guess let me know in the comments if you guys rather see some of the higher dollar trucks or the lower dollar repoed dealer or just unsellable garbage. Again, the garbage gets me a little bit more excited, but listen, I'm open to go through both, unless whatever tickles the fancy here. So, 6 owners, open recall. This has been repoed. It's been owned. The seller is Total Lexus Financial Services. So, don't ask me how it wound up there. Always suspicious when an all-wheel drive vehicle gets repoed, because it's usually done. I mean, you got to do it fast and quick and dirty, and don't usually have time to take all the proper precautions. So that's a first red flag there. Also, it also says that the boxes checked doesn't run. So that could be a thing. Don't really care about the actual cosmetic condition. We'll run through that. It's on coils. There's a picture of a coil spring. So that means it's lived a wonderful life. Again, it's not a bad thing, but someone spent money to not fuss with the air suspension anymore. One of the 6 owners at some point. What else do we have here? Oh, yeah. Well, it's on racing slicks, so one of the racing slicks has some damage. This truck's lived a pretty hard life. And I always like to see this stuff here because someone has to buy it. They don't have to buy it, but it's for sale, and somebody is going to buy it. So someone will try to buy this thing and resurrect it, and they're just not worth that much money anymore. So that's kind of what triggers my interest here. So black on black on black on black, even has the little black vents, and it's coated with that wonderful Florida dust that plagues most of these trucks here. There's that wheel gouge. That is impressive. I'm surprised it's even holding air. And that's the other thing. You realize with these cars that these lug nuts are so finicky that these tires and wheels, once they go on, if someone rounds one off, they're not coming off again. So you're stuck with those for a while. 2010 upgraded taillights, BMW era interior shifters all ripped apart, probably because it was dead and they were messing with the key, or the key got stuck because it's an 06 and they had to put it in neutral to roll it. I don't know. I was looking for some signs of life on the interior, but I don't see any. In a few shots, you'll see the rear hatch light on, but I don't see any of the other lights on. So you got green coolant in the reservoir, and a bunch of trash in the back because, repo car. There's your Walmart bag, and was it a Dollar Tree bag or something like that? So, it was just plucked right from use. Okay, that light was on. The dome light was on. And it has underbody shot, so presumably the truck's not rusty. It's not a good shot. I wonder if they pushed it across the line. Because they had to bring the truck through the photo booth. Did it run through there and stop running? I don't know. Yeah, there's that light on. It's a tough one. Seats are ripped. I mean, this thing is done. But it is for sale. I think they're going to run it live too. So I wonder how that's going to work. If they're going to try to run it across the line or not. I mean, the truck's got racing slick tires. Why even show a tire gauge? That rim is incredibly awesome. Yeah, it's shot. It's funny. They all have that same bump mark there, probably because it protrudes out past the hood and people aren't used to that kind of stuff. So, yeah, what do you guys think? 174,000 miles, 6 owner, 06 supercharged, L322, $1,000. Come pick it up. That's a tough sell. Catch you on the next one. Please subscribe. See ya.